Hello there. As you all meanwhile know, the inflation in the UK has recently climbed to over 10%. Even higher values are feared for the near future. And now there are strikes for higher wages to offset inflation. Tens of thousands of Royal Mail and British Telecom workers have walked out in the fight for higher wages. 115,000 Royal Mail workers and 40,000 British Telecom workers were taking part in the strike. This delays the delivery of letters and parcels, and more strikes are expected in September. We cannot live in a country where our bosses are making billions in profits while their employees are being forced to use food banks, said Communication Workers Union General Secretary Dave Ward. The union refused, they said there was a 0.5% offer and they declined that. And with Royal Mail, on the other hand, they warned that the strike is costing the company £1 million per day, and it's endangering jobs and making wage increases more difficult to finance. Further strikes, as I said, have been announced, but 0.5% at a 10% inflation, come on. Collective bargaining conflicts are also raging in many other sectors in the United Kingdom, which is why the British media are reporting on the summer of strikes, as they put it. Among other things, the employees of a number of train companies and ports put down their work several times a day to fight for better working conditions. Inflation in the United Kingdom had climbed to 10.1% in July and thus to a 40-year high. And according to estimates by the US investment bank Goldman Sachs, consumer prices could even rise to more than 22% in the coming year if gas prices remain high. That was reported by the Financial Times. In less drastic scenarios, the investment bank expects UK inflation to peak at around 15% next year. I heard others, and I talked about that say 18, but neither of this is a good outlook. And I'll see you in my next video. I'll be back.